Hello, welcome to your Wine Club customization tutorial. I'm Carl, your Wine Club director, and I'll be walking you step by step through the process of customizing your Wine Club shipment. To start with, you're going to want to log into your membership. You can do this one of two ways. The first and recommended method is to find your Wine Club shipment email and click into that. This email contains some very useful information about your upcoming Wine Club shipment, including the list of curated wines that we recommend taking for your shipment. So if you do nothing else, these will be the wines that get sent to you. Do keep in mind that these wines listed here in this email are just for the sake of the tutorial and may not be reflective of the wines that you will receive in your email. Some other great information to know is down here towards the bottom of some good dates to know. So we have the final day for making customizations, the date that your credit card will be charged, as well as the date that will ship out to you, or the date that your shipment will be available for pickup at the winery, just depending on the shipping strategy that you have selected. So great information there. But for customization, you will find roughly in the center of your email a clickable link that will take you to our website and the screen for logging in. And there we are. So the member login screen is where that link will take you. So this is the first method of logging in. The second is to just go directly to our website, 2lwinery.com, and clicking the login button on the top right. So both will get you into your membership, but again, we recommend finding the email simply for the good information that is there as far as the timeline and seeing the list of curated wines for you. So once you've gotten to your member login, go ahead and log in with your information. So here we have the edit profile. Just take a moment to verify that the information here is correct, such as your phone number and address. If everything there looks fine, you can move right on into the dashboard, which is found here on the left side of the page. Clicking there will bring up your member dashboard. The next button to push is the Club Memberships button that's on the top right of the selectable buttons. We'll click there. So clicking that button will bring you to a landing screen where it will name the club that you are currently in, and you will see a black Edit Club button beneath that. So Tutorial Club is listed here. Yours may say Vineyard or Vault or Cellar, depending on which club you're in. Either way, click the Edit Club button to continue. There we are. So clicking that button will bring up another bit of text, some good information again regarding your upcoming Wine Club shipment. So please take a moment to peruse. Again, all of this information is for the sake of the tutorial and may vary from your upcoming Wine Club shipment. Continuing to scroll down, we'll start to see beautiful bottles of Two Lads wines. The first set of wines will be reflective of the wines that we have selected for you and should match the wines listed in your email. Continuing to scroll down, you will note that these each have a pre-selected number of bottles, again reflective of the bottles selected in your email. Continuing to scroll down, you'll start to note bottles that have 0 in the pre-selected quantities. Those are the bottles that you have access to add into your Wine Club shipment if you so choose. You can also adjust some of the quantities to those pre-selected wines as well. You can zero them out if you're not a fan, or you can add 6 or more, in the case of Rolla, to your order. Do keep in mind that based on inventory, some of these wines may have a limited selection. This late harvest Riesling, we have a maximum of 6. So in that case, you'd see that only 6 are available for customization. And in rare instances, you may see a maximum of 1. That meaning that we have very limited quantities of that wine and are only able to provide 1 per member. So once you have made your customization changes on all of those sliders and you're happy with the wines that you've selected, make sure to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and click Submit. Interesting, we have a tutorial current shipment must have at least 6 bottles. That's a very important flag to look for. So if you do happen to get this message, that simply means that you have not selected the minimum bottles required for your wine club shipment. If you're vineyard or vault, that would be 6 bottles. If you're a cellar club member, that would be 12. So by simply adding one more and clicking submit at the bottom. And there it is. You have successfully updated your club. With that message, you know that your wines have been safely saved to your membership, and all you have to do now is sit back, relax, and wait for your beautiful box of Northern Michigan Sunshine from Two Lads Winery. If you need any assistance or have any questions, always feel free to contact us here by email. That's wineclub@2lwinery.com, or give us a call at the winery, 231-223-7722. We look forward to the next time we see you in our tasting room, and until then, be well.